Hello students, today we will learn the seventh chapter of the literature book, A Stormy Adventure. It is written by Nita Barry, as it is named as The Stormy Adventure, in which we will learn about the two main characters, which is Vishal and Rohini. Both are brother and sister, and both are the children uh, of the captain of the Trishna. Trishna is the ship, and Captain Kumar is the captain of the Trishna. In a brief manner, we will able to understand the whole story in a better way, as we have to know the information about the ship Trishna, that it is a 8,000 ton weighted ship, and it was now into the journey. It is a cargo ship, and it was in the journey of to the Philippines, and to the small island into the South China Sea, for providing food materials at that small island, where some days before there was a devastating typhoon, means a storm came through which that island was destructed. And after that, the problem faced by the people there. So this cargo ship is trying to supply the food materials at the small island, and after that it was into the journey of Philippines. So as we all know that Captain Kumar is the captain of the ship, and the two childrens always, means Vishal and Roni, always asking from his father that take us to the travel, to the journey, adventurous journey into your ship. But not always his father was convinced. Now in this time, father take them into the journey, in this time to the Philippines. Now, as we understood the situation, when Captain Kumar uh, at one day, uh, he faced a problem, as he saw his barometer. Before this, we have to also understand that the sister of Vishal, means Roni, have has a problem of having seasick, means she felt some kind of vomiting tendency, headache, and also not feeling very well when the ship is tossing high and down, also tilting one side to the another side. In this way, Rohini felt seasick, so that she cannot able to enjoy, and always she kept herself into the cabin, and she was sleeping always. Vishal was actually a true seaship man, and so that he was enjoying to the journey of Philippines. As I am talking about the problem in this story, as Captain Kumar, when he saw uh, his barometer, in which there is some fluctuation shown there, it indicates some kind of bad weather, which is just nearer to the ship. And when he talked about the radio officer about the weather condition, weather condition also showed that in the recent time, just after a few distance, there is a strong typhoon there, and it was to the direction of the ship. So everyone felt very worried about the situation, because the typhoon was at the speed of 70 to 65 miles per hour, and it is enough for the destruction of the ship. And recently the weather became changed, and the sky turned black, and the speed of the wind uh, increases. As expected, the weather became very bad, and the wind speed increases, so that the strong storm created, and through which the path of the ship became very much distracted, and the ship tossed very 8,000 tons big ship, tossed high, up to down. It uh, uh, it rose one side to another side, and the destruction also happened as it was expected, and that was the main worry thing for the whole crew member of the ship. So that uh, first of all, we I want to discuss that the gangway through which the people are also coming, the path through which the persons are coming into the ship, that is known as the gangway. It was broken. It was the huge weighted iron gangway, so that the some part of the gangway also damaged the ship, and strong sound also coming when it tossed high and down, and also when it tilt one side to another side, some kind of a strong sound coming, and it was one of the uh, major worry things by the for the other crew members. And one of the most damaged things done into the ship, that is a steel angle from the gangway had pierced the ship side, and through the water started entering into the engine room. Big hole created from a steel angle from the gangway, and major problem started when the water entered into the started entering into the engine room. Chief engineer, who was Mr. Bose, who informed Captain Kumar that it is the panic situation, and in which way what we have to do, we have to think immediately, otherwise we will face problem when engine of the ship stopped working. So everyone was trying to find out the solution for this problem. So in this critical situation, Vishal, the son of the Captain Kumar, also came in this time, and he also uh, he has given his suggestion that few of the member engineers, they should have take a lifeboat, and they will come out from the ship into the water uh, with the help of the uh, captain chief engineer Mr. Bose. The ship should be tilted to the one side opposite of the hole, and with the help of cementing material with the wood, temporary filling of the hole will be done by that the engineers with the help of the lifeboat. And after discussing all the solution discussed by the members there, they came to the decision that they will have to adopt the suggestion of Vishal. In this way, the same thing happened and done by the engineers, and it was successful. And after that, they again came back to the ship, and they permanently uh, fill that hole from the inside of the engine room, and in this way the problem will be solved. Now, talking about something about this solution, Vishal also felt one of the time, that is one of the incident in Okhla, there is a place into the sea, and in this situation, in the same situation, he felt that there is a leak into the boat of the Vishal, and with the help of the friends, that boat also became tilt, and leak was repaired by coming out into the water. The same situation done by the engineers into the ship, that ship became tilted, and the members with the help of the lifeboat, they came to the place where the hole created, and that hole became repaired with the help of cementing materials. Everyone very was surprised uh, to listen the suggestion of the Vishal, but it was successful, and everyone was satisfied to resolve when the matter was resolved. As we all have to understand that the Vishal have the gene of the Captain Kumar, and Captain Kumar is one of the best shipmanship, and also there is a gene, same gene was available to the Vishal, and as we all know, the suggestion was accepted and it was successful, through which everyone was saved into the ship of Trishna. Now weather became automatically changed, and the next journey made by the ship members successfully, and in this way the story became end. Thank you very much for understanding this story. Hope you enjoyed it and understood it. Thank you very much.